August is officially here. That means we have entered the Women in Translation month, and I have my top book recommendations to read this month. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel Read with Bindu. For this August month, also known as the Women in Translation month, we are celebrating with my favorite book recommendation. For those of you who are unaware of what is Women in Translation month, it was started in 2013 by one translator known as Alison Anderson and a blogger Maitel Radzinski. They launched the movement in order to bridge the gender gap which is existing in the publishing industry, and also so that more and more women writers' voices are heard and they are encouraged. While we are about to know these women authors, let's take a moment to appreciate the translators as well, because sometimes I wonder if not for these translators, so many good books are lost which none of us will be able to read. So let's appreciate the translators as much as we appreciate the authors. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first book that I have is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. It was originally written in Dutch. It was translated by B.M. Muyat Doubleday into English. It is actually about a diary which is written by a Jewish teenager. This teenager, she was surviving in Nazi Germany in hiding. Her entire family and friends were hiding in this house bunker kind of situation under the Nazi Germany under Hitler's rule, and what are all they were going through, what are all the happenings around them. In a personal diary, she describes around the happenings in such a vivid manner. It's so heartbreaking. This is a must read for everyone. Okay, next up I have The Vegetarian by Han Kang. It was originally written in Korean. It was translated into English by Deborah Smith. It revolves around this woman in South Korea who wants to give up meat. She suddenly, randomly one night, she gets these gory dreams about these animals, about the slaughterhouses and everything, about the abuse that goes around in the slaughterhouses, and she decides she doesn't want to eat meat anymore. You know, South Korea is such a country where eating meat is one of the popular things in their diet, in their culture. So what are all the things that she's facing with her family, with her husband, with her entire friends and family and the society, and what are all the bodily changes that she is going through? The book is so disturbing. The details are so graphic. Read the trigger warnings if you want to pick this up. The next book that I have is The Years by Annie Ernaux. It was written in French and it is translated into English by Alison L. Strayer. Okay, let me tell you, if I am saying any names, if I'm pronouncing them wrongly, please pardon me. Also feel free to correct me in the comment section with the right pronunciations. Okay, this book, The Years by Annie Ernaux, it is a memoir actually. It is an autobiography written by this women in France. She writes about the events happening since World War II to the present day, about the entire happenings in the society. She talks about the pop culture, feminism. There are so many things going on. It is a must read. Okay, next up I have Celestial Bodies by Joka Al-Harthi. It was originally written in Arabic and it was translated into English by Marilyn Booth. It is a historical fiction book. It revolves around these three sisters in Oman. The entire setting is happening in Oman. What about the changes that are all going on in their lives? They get married and what are all the family issues they are facing? That's what the entire story is about. It is such an interesting story. It is a must read if you're someone who is into historical fiction. The next book that I have is Convenience Store by Sayaka Murata. It was originally written in Japanese. She is a Japanese author. It is translated into English by Ginny Tapley Takamori. It is such a surprising and heartwarming story about this woman in Tokyo in Japan. This woman, she has issues with interacting with the people socially, hard to relate, but then she overcomes her issues, and whatever all the discoveries that she is making about herself and about the world, whatever all the connections that she is making, and what are all the improvements that she is making about herself and her own growth and self journey, that's what the entire story is about. It's so heartwarming. It is a must read. The next up I have The Door by Magda Sesbo. It is originally written in Hungarian. It is translated into English by Len Rix. It is about a busy young writer who hires a housemaid in order to keep up with the domestic chores. This housemaid, she is an old lady. She is very peculiar. She is one of a kind. She doesn't allow anyone in the house. She has such strange relation with the owner also. The entire book is about the journey of the relation between this owner and the housemaid and the backstory of this housemaid. It is such a heartwarming story as well. This housemaid or the housekeeper is so strange, but the story is so heartwarming. Okay, next up I have Elena Knows by Claudia Pinheiro. It is originally written in Spanish. It is translated into English by Frances Riddle. Okay, it is a mixture of thriller and a literary fiction. Both the things are going on. There is this woman, Rita, who is found dead in the bell tower of a church that she frequently visits. The police closed down the case, calling it as a suicide, but the woman's mother, she doesn't believe that her daughter will commit such a thing, and she takes up the investigation into her own hands, and that's what the entire story is about. The mother is bound and determined to find the reason behind the death of her daughter. That's what the entire story is about. Okay, that's all I have for today's video. Total 7 book recommendations to read this Women in Translation month. Let me know in the comments below if you have already read any of these books. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Translators Atmos she described since World War II to press translated into English. There is the police closed down the case, calling it comments below if you have already